Hey guys, this is Manish from TradingSutra. Welcome to our YouTube channel for an update over the previous video idea, that is coronavirus counter wave. Let's see the chart of the Nifty. As suggested in the previous video, that as long as Nifty holds this level 8100, one should go long for a target zone of this 9000 zone, and from that level Nifty may face a resistance and we may see a sell-off again to the level of 8700, and again if the 8700 holds, Nifty will resume its upward journey. So what is the current situation? Nifty is right now trading above this level, that is 9040 zone. Okay, and in the previous session we have seen a gap up opening, that is 9320 zone, and from that level we have seen a gap filling process, but Nifty has not filled the gap completely. So what's next? Let me show you a channel that was shared on my Twitter handle for the same idea. So this is the same idea which was shared on my Twitter handle. Let me open this up. So this was the channel that was shared on my Twitter handle. Let us load some bar. Let us draw the same channel on our chart. So here is the channel. What should be the next trading strategy? So as long as we are below this level of 9320 zone, we should short the Nifty for a target zone of this gap filling process of 9040 zone. And if this level holds again as a support, we should buy the Nifty for a target zone of this 9300 9400 zone. 9300 to 9400 is an important zone. Let me show you why. If I take this point of 7500 as a low and connect this to the all-time high, that is 12420 zone, so we will see a 38.2% retracement level at 9380 zone. And if I take this point, that is 12250 as a top, that is the starting of the wave 2, we will see that this 38.2% retracement level is at 9300 zone. So this 9300 to 9400 zone is an important level, and as long as Nifty is trading below this range, we should not go aggressive. So we have to wait and see whether the level of 9400 sustains, and accordingly we should go long only the level of 9400 sustains for a target zone of this, that is 9800 to 9900 zone, which is the 50% retracement level of the whole downfall. An important note that if the Nifty breaks the level of 9040 zone, we should not go long, and we will further review the idea at that time. So let's see how the Nifty will perform in the coming session. So if you like the video, just hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified at every step, and looking forward for your comments that how you like the analysis. Stay connected to the Trading Sutra. Meet you then.